Zep is making some big claims about being the best memory platform for AI agents, but does it really deliver? If you're curious about how it stacks up and whether it's worth your time, stick around as we dive in. Zep positions itself as a memory platform designed specifically for AI agents, aiming to enhance their ability to recall and utilize information effectively. The core functionality revolves around storing and retrieving data in a way that's intuitive and user-friendly. Right off the bat, the interface feels sleek and modern, which is great for users who might not be tech-savvy. However, it's not just about looks. The platform boasts features like customizable memory templates and a focus on context-aware retrieval, which can help AI agents provide more relevant responses. But here's where things get a bit murky. While they emphasize ease of use, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation or tutorials available. This might leave new users feeling a bit lost, especially if they're looking to leverage advanced features. Overall, Zep seems to cater to developers and tech enthusiasts, but casual users might find themselves in over their heads without a solid support system. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Zep's interface is visually appealing and easy to navigate, which is a strong point for user experience. The customizable features can also be a game changer for those who want to tailor the platform to their specific needs. However, it does have its downsides. The lack of comprehensive support and documentation is definitely a frustration. If you run into issues or have questions, finding answers might feel like a scavenger hunt. Additionally, the pricing structure isn't crystal clear. Potential users might want to dig deep before committing. For those who are just starting out with AI agents, Zep might feel a bit overwhelming, but for seasoned developers looking for a robust memory solution, it could be a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, Zep has a lot of potential, especially for those well-versed in AI development. If you're a beginner or someone who needs a lot of guidance, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, it seems like a solid tool for experienced users, but proceed with caution if you're just starting out.